In this video, we will demonstrate the adjustments and configurations to the Spex seating system once the seating has been installed to the wheelchair. The Spex cushion can respond to the clinical findings from the mat assessment by simply adding or removing contouring pads from the positioning layer underneath the cushion. It is essential that the cushion is shaped to provide stability, accommodate any limitations in the hip movement, and optimise comfort and pressure for Laura. Once we're satisfied the cushion is configured correctly, the covers are placed back on the cushion and set into the wheelchair. It is a peace of mind knowing that we can change and reconfigure this cushion anytime. You can see here that we have a modification to the cushion where there's no medial knee contouring. It has been prescribed flat to allow the external medial knee support to sufficiently do the job here. Today we've achieved a fantastic result for Laura. Of course we have more goals for Laura and we can do a lot more. We can do things differently, and that is what makes Spex so user-friendly. Even all the contouring and specific shaping can be changed, altered, or completely reversed if needed. Now that we've configured the wheelchair seating to meet the clinical requirements, everyday life in a wheelchair can be enjoyed with Spex, knowing that as the needs change, the seating will also be able to be adapted to meet those requirements.